Hello, good evening. Welcome to Chilling with Chronically Happy in the Dark. Unwind with me. I'm gonna try to stay awake. As I have these hiccups, I won't seem to go away. I'm so tired. My body hurts. I'm in a flare. I can't stop hiccuping. I tell you what, these little guys were a big hit last night at the freaking rave. I only had 3 of them. It was great. I really had fun last night. But I can't stop hiccuping. No matter what I do, yawn. These hiccups won't go away. I wish they'd stop. My dress from last night is still wet and sweat. Because I sweated so bad. Oh. I have so much pain. Are these really worth it? Yeah, but no. Oh. My KT tape is extensive right now, too. Oh. Let's do my unwind with me, guys. I know I posted a lot over the last couple of days, but I'm just trying to keep up and stay relevant in the algorithm. My parents are still up. This is early yet. I can't stop hiccuping. Oh. So here's my KT tape from my last session. And I got another long one. Right here. I'm ripping my freaking lace, it's so old. And there's my last piece. Look, my wings. Hiccup Rebel gave me wings a long time ago when I drank a lot of it. Now I drink minimal it. So I got a sweat all over my body last night. Even though I didn't wear makeup, I got my wake up wipes. I peeled off my clothes immediately at my friend's house after I got done dancing my nasty, sweaty ass body. Oh, yeah. And then I got hugs from strangers, and some were the best hugs I had felt in so long. It was so nice. It was so nice to get some good hugs. I don't care who you are. If you give me a good hug, you're a friend for life. trying to wipe off as much as I can from the germs and the sweat and all I could smell was my deodorant the entire time after I got done. Thank goodness I had my deodorant on. Make sure my nipple pads are still in place. Nipple bases. Oh my goodness. Freaking hiccups. Look, I'll even try to hold my breath. Maybe that helped. I'm trying to wipe this warm washcloth all over too. Get the chemicals off my body. Just to put some lotion on. I really wish I'd taken a shower, but I can't. I'm in so much pain. So this is my little bit of a shower after last night's dancing. That's all I can do for at this point. I need to wash my sheets and blankets and everything anyways from taking it to my friend's house and having her cat all over it. I'm allergic to cats. I don't need her cat's fur all over me. I already brushed my teeth, so I'm gonna get my lip oil gloss on for overnight. Get my lotion on. So yeah, I made 2 new Instagram friends. I'm trying to build a new a bigger Instagram following because I don't have much of one. So I think I'll link it down in my description box if you want to follow my Instagram. That would be lovely. Then you can see the kind of photos I like to consider myself a little bit of a model. My Instagram photos are some of my best photos. Not so much in the beginning, but like sporadically throughout my Instagram, I have some really decent photos. I took selfies of myself and set up the camera and timer and, you know. I don't even know where the whole pictures are anymore from those, so. Lotion, let me get this lotion here. Alright. Now we got myself lotioned up. Oh, where's my sponge out? Oh, hot. I'm so tired. I'm in pain. It is hard to move. All I just want to do is sleep really, really, really good tonight. That's all I want, guys. My friend did my hair today for me. It doesn't even look like it as much anymore. But she did a pretty good job. She did better than I did for myself. Look at the back. Let me look at the back too. Yeah, she did really pretty good. Yeah. I might rip my lace right here. Whoops. This shirt is really, really old, but I really love it, so I'm having a hard time retiring it. Get my rug back. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna roll my foam roller for a minute. Look at my belly, I'm so bloated right now. Bloated, bloated, bloated. Here's my bloated belly, guys. I look like I'm pregnant from all of my overdoing it. I'm in a flare. That's what a mast cell flare looks like. like I'm pregnant. Oh my goodness, I wanted to game so bad too, but I started falling asleep. I'm like, I need to do my skincare routine. Let me do a quick unwind with me. Yeah, my necklace glows in the dark. Look at this shit. Let me charge it in the light first. Hold up. I can't see. Hold up. A. Alright, let's charge her up here. Okay, now. Ta-da. Now you can see him glowing. Here's the hearts. You can see I got more light on part of the heart than the other. Here's my little bottle. And here's the other pieces that glow. They're kind of farther up on the necklace so you don't see it as much. But yeah, I'm a little glow. It's pretty much my favorite necklace now, right now. And I'm gonna probably wear it for weeks. Until I make some more with different colored bottles. But this one's gonna match a lot of things, so yeah. Look, it's still glowing. Little boob. Not gonna see any nips because I got nip covers. Nip covers are the shiznit. So, choose happy. I know it's backwards, but that's my newest sign. I can't help but be so happy about choose happy. I just need a neon sign that says chronically happy, so I'm gonna figure out how to make my own neon sign. I've seen videos before, so I'm gonna try and figure it out because I got some crafting to do. Hold on, gotta do this right without flashing y'all. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for joining my unwind with me, and please have a blessed night. Thank you so much for following me. Stay tuned for some outfit reveals on some shorts, and also stay tuned for some more gaming videos. I'm going to try and get around a couple rounds in. Alrighty, peace.